Hey there guys, it is Gerbil here, with another Scratch tutorial. So in this tutorial, as you can probably see from the sprites on screen, I'm going to be showing you how to create a gun. But this is kind of a two-video episode, because the first video is going to teach you how to make your gun and how to make it fire, and the second video will be talking about moving your gun, so how to make it point at the mouse, how to make it point when you move the arrow keys, how to make it move, things like that. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So first of all, we need to create our bullets and our guns. So first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is delete the cats. And then you need to create two sprites, a gun sprite and a bullet sprite. Now, there's one rule you need to follow here. Your bullet sprite needs to be able to fit inside the gun sprite. So once you've done that, put the bullet sprite under the gun sprite. And now we need to do this. So, I'm going to teach you guys how to do a semi-automatic gun. An automatic gun will probably follow in another video. In fact, I will cover both. So, when the space key is pressed, sorry guys, I'm a little bit rusty. I've recorded 2 videos today, brain's not working. So, anyway, the first thing you need to do is add a, whatever button. No, when the flag is clicked, forever. So this is how to make an automatic gun. So forever. Wait until. And then we need to select touching. No, not touching. I'm thinking about something later on. Wait until the space key has been pressed. And then wait 0.1 seconds. And create a clone of bullets. So that should be your bullets, right? So now we have bullets, but these bullets will not move. So we need to make them move. So when I start as a clone, we need it to do this. So repeat until touching edge. So when I start as a clone, repeat until touching edge. And what do we want it to repeat? We want it to move. So this is why I said make sure your gun is facing this way, because then it will look proper, and it will also make sure there's no problems when you turn the gun in the next episode. So we have repeat. So when I start as a clone, repeat until touching edge, move 10 steps. So, and we need it to, so delete this clone. So after it's touched the edge, it will delete the clone. So let me just make sure all of this is good. So let's make this full screen. Click the flag. And here we are. We have this automatic gun. So with this kind of gun, you can just hold down the space bar and the bullets will fire. If you want your bullets to go faster or slower, then all you have to do is go into your bullet here and change this 10 to something else. Higher if you want it to go faster, lower if you want it to go slower. So we want, now that we have a working gun, I'm going to show you how to make a semi-automatic gun. So you can leave your bullet the same as it is. For both guns, it's the same. But for this gun, we use the same here. Wait until space key is pressed. But we can get rid of the wait and instead replace that with a wait until. And then we need not. Wait until not key space pressed. So this will what this does, for those of you who are confused, this will carry on forever and ever. It'll wait until you've pressed the space key, as it says. It'll create the bullet, and then it'll wait until you're not holding the space key. So this stops you from having a gun that holds where you can hold it down and it will fire constantly. So you guys might not be able to notice this, but I'm actually spamming the space bar. So anyway, that's how we make our guns. I'm going to stick with a semi-automatic. And that is it for this video, I'm pretty sure. And also you can customize your bullet and whatnot. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to move your gun about. And also one last thing I'd like to cover, how to make your bullets collide. So this is quite simple. So I'm just going to create a box, and I want this to work so that, hang on, oh, I have to exit this. So I'm just going to put this here, and I want to make it that when my bullets hit this box, they will disappear. So this is very simple to do. When I start as a clone, repeat until touching edge. You also need to change this now. So we need to add an OR here instead. So repeat until touching edge or touching the square. So mine's just called sprite 1 because I forgot to name it. So repeat until touching sprite 1 or touching edge. So that will now make it that if our bullets hit the edge, they'll disappear, but they also disappear if they hit the square. As you can see here, they're disappearing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like down below for more Scratch tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel for more. So I hope you all enjoyed, and goodbye.